Welcome to step 1 of how to build your first Red Podium campaign. First, we'll go ahead and click Add Campaign. Here you'll see 4 options. First is Name. What you enter here will be found in various reports as well as listed on the campaign's page. Next is Page Title. What you enter here will be seen in your browser bar as well as found by search engines such as Google. Next is a URL. Every campaign you create, you can assign a unique URL. This is also the secure location where your form is stored. Lastly are the templates. We've pre-built 10 templates to help you get started. Whether you're accepting participant registration, exhibitor registration, volunteer signups, donations, or even doing a post-race survey, we have a template to help you get rolling. The 2 most commonly used templates are the multiple registrants, multiple price options, and team creation. Both of these templates allow for one or multiple participants to register on one transaction. It also allows you to preset one or multiple price options. For this particular example, we'll go ahead and select team creation. But first, you'll also notice we have a section called Existing Campaigns. If you ever create a campaign, you have the ability to duplicate it for future use. Click Add Campaign. Here we're on the Basics tab. It pulled in all the information we previously entered and now gives us a few more input fields. First we come to Accounting Reference. If your organization would like to track the funds from this campaign, you can enter an alphanumeric code here. Next is International Payments. If you wish to accept international payments, simply check Yes. But first you'll want to be sure to check with your billing gateway to assure they have activated this option. Next we come to Time Zone. Simply be sure that this is set to the proper time zone, as this will affect various time constraints on your form. Google Analytics. If you're unfamiliar with Google Analytics, we definitely encourage you to look into this. It's a free service through Google that allows you to track various information of your form, such as where people are finding your link, how long they're staying on your form, whether they are sharing social networking tools, and many other valuable pieces of information. Simply enter your Google Analytics ID here. Next is event date and registration open and close dates. You can preset your registration date by simply clicking on this calendar. You also can preset registration open and close date. So if you wish for your registration form to close, say on October 31st, you can preset that here. By clicking Show Advanced Options, you can preset a before opening message and after closing message. So once it reaches your closing date, this particular message will appear. If you anticipate your event to sell out, you can also preset a limited amount here. So we'll go ahead and set it to 5,000. Next we'll head over to the Layout tab. This is where all the action happens. All the information for your form is stored and organized here on the Layout tab. By clicking this Add button, it will reveal all kinds of features and functionalities that can be added into your form. For instance, if you wanted to accept emergency contact information, you can add a text box to capture their name and a phone number field to capture their phone number. Then there's the financial options. If you wish to sell merchandise on your form, you might want to use the quantity box. We also have additional multiple choice fields, amount boxes for donations, coupon codes, line item fields, and many more options. Lastly is the design elements. You can add additional headings, big or small, one-line text, paragraph fields, Facebook sharing features, location details, and even add additional pages to your registration form. At any point, you can go ahead and click View Test to view a snapshot of what your form would look like at that very moment. So here we have the basic template, bare bones template, of what we've added so far. So all the basic information that most events would be looking to add, such as the terms and conditions, Facebook features, general information, coupon codes, there's the team box. Anything on your form can be added, deleted, or edited. Let's go ahead and make some edits to the registration options. So we're back on the Layout tab. We'll simply scroll down and find registration options and click Edit. So here we'll see the label, which can be edited, and many other additional options here. We'll simply scroll down and make our first edit. We'll go ahead and call this Early Bird 5K registration. Registration will jump $5 to $30. So we will preset this for this option to show October 31st at midnight. So maybe we have a 5K and 10K option. And this will be set to open at $45. And again, we'll go ahead and preset this to close October 31st at midnight. And have late registration jump $5 to $50 and appear October 31st at midnight. So now if we click Save and View Test, we will now see these immediate changes reflected on our form. Early Bird 5K, Early Bird 10K. And now these pricing options will automatically hide and the late registration will appear. Next, let's take a look at t-shirt size. So we'll go ahead and scroll down to t-shirt size and click Edit. So again, any of these fields can be edited. Maybe you want your shirts to be listed as gender specific. So we'll simply add women's extra small, women's small, women's medium. So if you happen to have a limited supply of t-shirts, you can simply indicate that here. Maybe you only have 500 extra smalls and 200 smalls. When these limits are reached, these options will automatically show as sold out or full, however you'd like to indicate it. You also can opt to show remaining supply. So let's go ahead and click Save and see what that looks like on our form. So if we scroll down, take a look at the t-shirt size, we see the changes we made here. Women's extra small, 500 left. And as people register and select these options, this number will automatically decrease. Lastly, let's take a quick look at the convenience fee option. With Red Podium, you guys have full control of the convenience fee. So we'll find it here and click Edit. So you have the ability to edit the label to be whatever you wish. Maybe you keep convenience fee, change it to processing fee, service charge, whatever you prefer. So you can preset your convenience fee to be a percentage and or a fixed dollar amount. And we'll go ahead and click Save. So any options in your form can easily be reordered, added, or deleted. If you wish to hide the convenience fee or any other fields, simply uncheck them here. This way you will not lose any data you've captured, but it will no longer appear in the form. Next, let's go ahead and click on the Confirmation tab. Here, you can fully customize the confirmation page and confirmation email. Simply add in additional information you wish to provide for your participants, such as packet pickup or race start information. Easily paste in text, add sponsor images and links. And you'll see here, these yellow fields will pull in information captured in the form. If you wish to add in additional information, such as date of birth, simply type a label, click Add Layout Item, find your option here, and now the information they enter in this field on the form will now pull into the confirmation page. As we scroll down, we encourage you to keep this option checked. This will prompt people to post to Facebook upon completing registration. Here you can also customize your confirmation emails as people register. That's it for this video. Be sure to check out Step 2, How to Skin Your Form.